Hey guys, I'm Daniel Leach, the project manager this week for Group 3, also known as the Six Sigmas. Our group consists of Isabella Tai, Jasmine Alexander, Wesley Bennett, Mohammed Farhan Mudin, Goose Shaikh, and myself. I'm going to be giving a brief overview of how we modeled our group using two different project organization structure methods for the assignment 2. I'm going to start with a bit of project background. Project organization structures are used to precisely define team arrangements and help coordination within the team to properly execute projects. To ensure the success of our startup company, we were tasked with building two project organization structures to outline the current and planned future breakdown of company resources. Using the teammates' experience and express points of interest, we developed a functional home project structure where each member was assigned as head of department for the current company. And for future planning, we built a matrix organization structure that planned out the resource allocations for 3 active projects that we plan to be working. So here's our functional home project organization structure that we developed for the present company setup. Since the current team is rather small and we're only working one project, we determined the functional home would be a good fit to use. With this, each team member was assigned to their area of expertise within the structure, and I'll go over how each of these were determined shortly. The one project we're working, the Texas Parks and Wildlife boat design, was assigned to the engineering section, as the current goal of the project is to design and draft a completed boat, given that last week we submitted the bid to Texas Parks and Wildlife with the optimal design presented from the research and development team. So group member assignment justifications are as follows. So the president was selected to be Wesley, given his 15 plus years of experience in manufacturing and engineering management experience. I was given the head of research and development, given my 3 years of experience as a design engineer. Isabella was assigned to be the financial controller, given her background in mathematics and the service industry. Mohammed, with a bachelor's of mechanical engineering, was assigned to be the director of the engineering department. Jasmine, who has 7 years of experience consulting for medical devices and biotech product development, was assigned to be the marketing manager. And Goose, who has a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering and some experience as project engineers, will serve as the manufacturing manager. So, assuming the success of our company given the initial functional home breakdown structure, we developed a more thorough and advanced matrix organization structure for the future plan of the company. If you can see, all of the individuals in the group have remained within their expertise, except for Jasmine, who is now serving as a temporary director of projects while we search for a person to take over that position. In this, we've also hired 3 new project managers to lead the 3 projects we plan to work. And I will go over those 3 projects on the next slide. Please take note of some of the different resource breakdowns, as those will be explained also in the next slide. The matrix organization structure before listed the 3 new project managers to be hired, each tasked with the 3 new planned projects. Project 1 will focus solely on sustaining and manufacturing the original Texas Parks and Wildlife boating product line and any future completed boating lines. This work stream is heavily driven by manufacturing, with some assistance from marketing to continually advertise and sell products, finance to continually fund the production, and lastly, research and development engineering to monitor and address any product design failures or defects. Project 2 is primarily tasked with new project development. So a generous portion of research and development and marketing resources have been dedicated to this project. Since this project involves collecting data on new product markets via market research, innovating new design improvements compared to competing products, and finding new features to create unique products. Finance also has a significant involvement in this stage as they build capital budgets and compile all the finance data to present to the president for project approval. Once projects are approved from the second project, new projects will be added to the organization structure, and work to design and plan the manufacturing of the new product will begin. Project 3 is an example of a project in full swing of the testing and validation life cycle of a project proposed from the research and development team. Marketing is working hard to finalize sales literature, and finance is making sure that we stay close to our budgets. Engineering and manufacturing are leading this project as they are developing different designs and manufacturing processes to help save costs. Research and development stays involved to help with any improvements they can make for project 2. Once the design is finalized in project 3, manufacturing plans will be given to the project manager of project 1 and will be handed off for mass production and manufacturing, and project 3 will be closed out. The structure outlined here will allow for continuous product development and manufacturing, allowing for company growth. Project 1 and 2 will serve as the backbone for the company, sustaining all past product lines and continually initiating new products for developing various boating lines. So, overall, you saw the 2 project organization structures we built to improve company organization and overall project execution. The current functional home structure allows for streamlined project completion and accountability for each department head by adding personal responsibility for related tasks, while still maintaining flexibility to work on many different projects. The future matrix organization outlined provides a goal to strive for and a detailed breakdown of future resource allocation and potential planned projects.